Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about a simple morning routine. The morning is one of the most important moments of the day. It is the time when your mind wakes up and prepares for what is coming. What you do in the first minutes after waking up can influence your focus, your energy, and even your mood for the rest of the day. A simple morning routine helps create a calm and clear start. It does not need to be perfect or complex to be effective. A simple morning routine is not about doing many things. It is about doing a few things with intention. When your routine is simple, it is easier to follow every day. You do not feel pressure or stress when you wake up. Instead, you know what comes next, step by step. This feeling of clarity makes the morning lighter and more peaceful. One of the first elements of a good morning routine is waking up calmly. Rushing out of bed can create stress before the day even starts. Taking a few moments to breathe and become aware of your body helps your mind wake up slowly. This small pause allows you to start the day with control instead of urgency. Even one calm minute can make a difference. After waking up, simple physical actions help activate the body. Stretching, washing your face, or drinking a glass of water are small habits with a strong effect. They send a signal to your body that the day has begun. These actions do not require much effort or time, but they help you feel more present and awake. A simple morning routine also supports mental clarity. Avoiding distractions early in the morning is very important. When you immediately check your phone, your mind becomes busy too fast. Giving yourself a few minutes without noise or information helps your thoughts stay calm. This calm state allows better decisions during the day. Adding a small moment of reflection can also be very helpful. This can be thinking about your goals, your plans, or your priorities. You do not need to write or plan everything in detail. Just asking yourself what really matters today is enough. This habit creates direction and purpose. It helps you act instead of only reacting. A simple morning routine is also connected to consistency. Doing the same small actions every morning builds stability. Your brain likes routines because they reduce effort and uncertainty. Over time, these actions become automatic. You no longer need motivation to follow them. They simply become part of who you are. It is important to remember that a morning routine should fit your life. There is no perfect routine that works for everyone. Some people wake up early, others wake up later. Some have more time, others have less. The goal is not to copy others. The goal is to create something realistic and sustainable. A simple morning routine also helps with long-term habits. When you start your day with control, it becomes easier to stay focused later. Small wins in the morning create confidence. You feel capable of taking care of yourself and your time. This confidence spreads to other areas of life. It helps you build discipline naturally. For people who are learning something new, mornings are very powerful. Learning in the morning helps the brain absorb information better. Even a few minutes of listening or reading can be effective. This daily contact creates familiarity and comfort with learning. You do not need long study sessions. Consistency is more important than intensity. In conclusion, a simple morning routine is a quiet but strong tool. It does not change your life in one day. It changes your days, little by little. By starting your morning with simple and calm actions, you create a solid base for the rest of the day. Simple mornings lead to better days, and better days build a better life.